Hello everybody and welcome to an IntraCore ERP tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about recipe management. Now first we need to start with our inventory. Let's say we want to make a simple burger. We type burger bun. We type the components of our final product. After adding all your raw materials, now we need to create the final product. Lebanese burger. And we need to enable one important thing, has raw material. Let's pick the correct unit. Done. After that, we need to go and make purchase invoice with our raw material. After we've made a purchase invoice with the correct pricing and cost, we go to the recipe management. We can see here our Lebanese burger because we have already checked has raw material from before. We click the three dots, click raw material. Now we can add the one. After that, we add coleslaw. Let's say, for example, 70 grams. We add the meat. Let's say 150 grams of burger meat and the sauce. Here it gives us an approximation of how much the whole burger cost and we can click save. Now we have a full Lebanese burger. Thank you for watching.